Istanbul has a greater population than Belgium.
I've still got a full head of hair, so I'm all right.
Istanbul is the capital of Turkey.
True.
False.
False.
Oh no, it's not, is it? What is it?
Ankara.
Sloppy, isn't it?
But I would have said true. Yeah.
A hair transplant at Vera Clinic is on average half the price of a hair transplant in the UK.
True.
Yeah.
Nice.
Vera Clinic is the official hair transplant partner of Everton Football Club. True or false?
True.
Right answer. 20,000 health tourists travel to Turkey each month.
I'm just going to presume true.
False. Has over 50,000 health tourists.
My word.
Teeth and hair. And what else?
Take your teeth in.
Fucking hell, I have double bubble. The Turkish flag contains both white star and a crescent moon.
True.
Yep. 3 answers right.
Perfect.
There are over 3,000 places of worship in Istanbul.
True.
Correct.
The currency of Turkey is the euro.
False.
Once again, Jordan. It's the Turkish lira. Stress is a common cause of hair loss.
I've still got a full head of hair, so I'm all right. True.
Correct again.
Flying.
3 from 3.
Hair transplants are only available for men.
False.
Anyone can get one.
Yeah.
Correct again.
4 out of 4.
Hair transplant procedures take 6 hours.
True.
True.
I think so.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, you made it.
5 out of 5. Istanbul sits in both Europe and Asia.
True.
Yeah.
Neil. Istanbul has a greater population than Belgium.
Say true.
True again. 2 from
Lying.
2.
Beard transplants are available.
True.
True.
Yeah.
3 from 3. There is only one type of hair transplantation.
I'd say false.
Have you had a hair transplant now?
Used to are good at this, worryingly.
Vera Clinic provide transfers and accommodation while in Istanbul for treatment.
True.
5 from 5, Neil. Congratulations.
Flying.
Let's go.
First shot coming up, incoming. Ooh. Not bad.
He called it. He called it off target.
Not a bad effort for the first one. Off target though. Ooh. Nearly in the bins or Washington. Great strike. Nice one for Targi. Yes. 1 out of 3. Not bad. Sally safe first one.
Oh, here he is. Oh, double. Did he put that back up? 6? We can't get 6.
Are we putting him back?
Sorry lads, I didn't break it like.
You got more in one goal.
No, you shouldn't put them back.
Yeah.
Take the safety off.
Oh my God,
What a goal.
tell you what.
It is. Shame.
Oh, missed it.
Miracle's got again. Here it is. I'm going for the top left now.
Top left.
Yeah.
Nice, Jordan.
Top left means
2 or 3, whatever. Good to go?
Yeah.
Come on, Neil.
Get the safety off,
At least
lad.
make some effort. Oh, he's marked.
Oh, it's there, lad. There's the excuse.
Mike's off.
0 out of 2.
Okay, top right.
Not a bad effort. Oh, nearly.
You can't get none.
No, I went for it.
I'm going to be honest, you can't get none.
You've got to at least get 1.
Getting none is not good enough.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Disgraceful.
GK wins again.